Yo, what's up guys? What's going on today? How's everybody doing? Doing well? I'm doing well. So anyways, in this video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to do a little bit of a breakdown of what happened with these next clips because it's kind of hard to hear what they're saying, and I kind of need to explain what's going on and why I'm having all these epic fails. This took place over at my boy Jonathan's shop, FTP. You guys have all heard of him if you've watched my previous videos. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Apollo making his star appearance, his cameo. Alright, so anyways, I was getting ready to leave the shop and I was in the Beast and well, they did the typical do a burnout saying, and I wasn't gonna do one because I honestly don't ever do any burnout. So let's see how this first part played out.
Yeah, like to the floor. And second with the clutch in. Yeah, are you a man? Fair enough. Then you gotta dump it and get on the brakes. I remember my first burnout.
You gotta hold my car straight, bro.
More gas! More gas!
So okay, that was second gear, and as you can see the car was starting to swing a little bit to the left, so I just let out of it. Also, I'm not quite sure if you can hear what I said, but I told him you need to hold my car because it was pulling towards the left, as you saw. So let's see what happens when I try it again.
Alright, yeah, never mind. If it was a Jay-Z, it would do fine. If it was a Jay-Z, it would have no problem.
Turn the other way. I'll talk to you
You gotta get that turbo to spool a little.
Pull it, but it's gonna put me to the bank. Just do first.
Was that second? Oh man, might want to do first then.
Yeah, do it right there. You got more room.
Just don't hit the green car.
You gotta do it in first then.
Alright, as you can see there, I tried it again and the car is still swinging towards the left because nobody came out to stop me. I don't know if you guys are watching any drag racing, but if you notice some of the cars when they're doing a burnout, you'll get a couple guys holding one side of it because the car tends to pull towards one side when it's doing it. Probably because of alignment or something. And if you guys know about my car, I'm running -6 degrees of camber. I'll show you that when I get done with all of this.
Oh, no power happening.
This can't be our first.
I think you just gotta you gotta really get the back wheel spinning first.
Was that first?
Alright, as you can see in that clip, I pulled back, I tried to scoot over a little bit more away from the building, and as you see there's a huge puddle right there on the ground, and at the time I didn't realize the puddle was there, so I couldn't quite figure out why the front wheels were pushing. I knew why the car was swinging because the alignment's crap, but I didn't understand why the car wasn't staying still. So I let out of it again because it was starting to push me towards the wall, and I actually kind of was getting out of frame. So I'm gonna back up and I'm gonna try this again because I won't be defeated, because at this point They're talking mad shit about the RB, and you know, I ain't about that life. You know, there's Jay-Z boys and LS boys over there. It's RB. So in this clip, I'm gonna show you guys what an RB can do. And I just, when you say fuck it, just don't care. Now keep in mind, I've never wrecked my car before. So for me to tell somebody I wrecked my car because I did a burnout and it spun me into a building, and you see there's other cars in the background, I didn't want to hit any of those cars back there either. So it wasn't worth me wrecking my car for something so stupid. I would prefer to wreck it going all out drifting than, you know, saying, oh, I wrecked my car because I was doing a damn burnout. So anyways, let's see how it goes with this clip.
You gotta rev that shit up higher.
It's lagging.
You don't got two steps? I think that's how you do a burnout. Woo!
And that's what happens when peer pressure and aggravation gets the best of you. I just said, fuck it. Dumped it, let it spin around. If it's gonna hit, it's gonna hit. But nobody's gonna talk about the RB, tell me I don't have any power. If you haven't seen what the car looks like underneath the hood, I'll go ahead and back it out and show you what it looks like. But first, I'm gonna show you the aftermath of what that burnout and all my little street drifting has gotten me, and I'll show you the camber on the tires as well. As you can see, it's showing metal all in and inside of there. Let's see. Whoops. Can we focus? Yeah. That -6 degrees of camber. And that's the result I get. And I'm pretty sure it's like that on both sides. Oh, you can't see over here. Wait, because the gas can. Maybe I could get in there. Yeah, it's toasted on the inside of there as well. I mean, look at the camera, guys. It's pretty obvious. That's -6. I got to get that fixed. I'm working on that. So that, you know, that's why the car kept spinning me towards the left. And if one of them fools would have just held me still, I could have got it done. But oh well, it's all good. Kawasaki gang. Kawasaki gang. This is my boy Pies 636. He's currently serving the country in Japan right now. I wish I was over there with him. Not serving, nothing wrong with that. I just want to go back to Japan and have some fun, but that's his bike, for if anybody might be asking if this is mine. So no, it is not. Anyways, I'm gonna back out the beast and show you guys how it sounds. Once again, you already know. Do a walk around and show you what's under the hood if you haven't seen it yet. Let's see if it starts up. It should. Nope. Dead battery, yo. Well, this didn't start. Let's see if this will start. So I'll give you a little walk around of the car if you haven't seen it. Ball bearing life. Quick update, Paulo just called me. He went to get something to eat. He forgot his wallet right here. So I'm gonna run over there and take him his wallet so that fool don't gotta dine and dash. Maybe I'll do a POV video from riding inside the S13. I don't really have the greatest view, but maybe I'll just, and he's not far at all, so, but maybe I'll just throw something on and you guys can hear how the car sounds. That's it, guys. Everything's good. Water level's kind of low. That's where my AFRs are running at. My oil pressure. The power FC showing. Bolts are island smooth. I don't know how the footage turned out. Sorry, I don't This is like last minute. I just threw on my damn helmet and that's my mount setup. So it's an open face, so I can't really put it low, and I sit kind of high in the car, so I'm not sure how the angle will look. And I gotta find my head cam, but whatever. I'll see how the footage turns out. Now let's take a look at my tire and see how it's looking. There's a nice little puddle back there. Yeah, I'm an idiot. And now I gotta wash it, but I don't want to wash it. Damn it. Oh well. Hope you guys like that little trip to Mexico. I got one more thing to show you guys. Look at that car. I could just sit here and stare at it all day, but I would die from a heat stroke because it's hot as hell out. For those who are unaware, I own a RB26 as well. Not quite sure what I'm gonna do with it, but I ordered a part from my boy over in Japan that I need for this that's gonna make it a whole lot easier, and I'm gonna show you and tell you why. This is the package I got straight from Kyoto, Japan. Yes, I have been there myself. Beautiful place. But this is it. Let's open it up and see what it is. There it is. Another oil pan and front diff axle assembly. Now, if there's one thing I do know about this engine setup is that I am not going all-wheel drive. That's for sure. This oil pan came straight out of a R32 GTR OEM oil pan. It's cool to know people in cool places and get some stuff that's kind of harder to find here in the States. Now the reason why I bought a second oil pan is the oil pan that came with the engine. One of these little ears is, it's kind of hard to see here. Let's see. One of these little ears is broken. I could have got it, you know, whatever, fabbed and replaced, but whenever you're doing a rear-wheel drive conversion with the RB26, you need to, you can either try to buy an aftermarket oil pan, which CX Racing makes one, but I haven't had the best luck with some of the CX Racing stuff that I've purchased over the years, and I don't really mess with them anymore. So the other option is to run the RB26 oil pan, and you can send it out and have it modified where they basically, they chop this off, the axle, they chop the whole entire diff off, and it allows you to be able to bolt it to any rear-wheel drive application. It is a front sump. As you can see, the baffles are a little bit old and whatever, but I'm going to be replacing those with Tomei oil baffles anyways, and which are way better than the OEM ones. So it's not cheap to get it modified, but I prefer OEM stuff if I can when it comes to certain things, and can't go wrong with an OEM oil pan. So I'll be sending that out whenever I get some. It's not priority right now, so I'm not quite sure when I'll send it out, but I'll definitely keep you guys updated when I do and where I take it and how it turns out, if anybody's interested in doing a rear-wheel drive RB26 swap. So that's that. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you like everything you saw. Little trip to Mexico and the Beast and everything else. Go ahead and hit that like button. It's really appreciated. The more likes the video gets, the more it's shared throughout YouTube. It can help the channel grow. That'd be great. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Hit the notification bell if you haven't, and spread the word, and let's get this channel to blow up, man. RBs around here. Be a little bit different. There's some JZs, there's some LSs, but RB is where this guy's heart is. So stay tuned to see what I have next in store for the Beast and whatever else is going on, and have a great day, guys. Peace.